Professor Epiphany Azinge, founder, Epiphany Azinge Foundation, a non-governmental organization, has urged leaders to address the constraints and obstacles before women and advance the empowerment of women all over the world. Azinge made the call at the 2020 Colloquium Nigeria, tagged Scorecard of 25 Years Post-Beijing Conference in Abuja. He said the colloquium is to assess if there is full enjoyment by women and the girl child of all human rights and fundamental freedoms, and whether effective action is taken against these violations of rights and freedoms.
The People's Republic of China hosted one of the largest global conferences ever held in the world. Earlier, the conferences in Rio, Vienna, Cairo, and Copenhagen, the importance of issues related to the improvement of the status of women was stressed. From each of these global conferences emerged a more powerful recognition of the crucial role of women in sustainable development and protecting the environment of human rights of women as an inalienable, integral, and indivisible part of universal human rights. Also, violence against women as an intolerable violation of these rights, of health and maternal care, and family planning facilities, and of access to education and information as essential to the exercise by women of their fundamental rights. This colloquium is expected to vigorously interrogate if all necessary measures have been taken to eliminate all forms of discrimination against women and the girl child, and remove all obstacles to gender equality and the advancement and empowerment of women.
Speaking, Mr. Tony Ojukwu, Executive Secretary, National Human Rights Commission, said the colloquium will showcase the progress so far made with respect to the rights of women and the girl child in Nigeria.
In order to appreciate the journey so far, it's important to mention that prior to the Beijing conference and the adoption of the declaration, issues on the rights of women and girl child were quite appalling. This included lack of quality education, healthcare, poverty, violence, discrimination against women, and all the rest. Indeed, the declaration provided the government of Nigeria at all levels, as well as critical stakeholders, with a golden opportunity to critically examine strategies and develop policies aimed at implementing those areas addressed. It is significant to note that today's event is timely, considering that Nigeria joined other state parties during the 70th session of the United Nations General Assembly to adopt the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, 17 of them, and all of them are hinged around poverty issues, health, and that no one should be left behind. I believe that this colloquium will bring to the fore the progress so far made with respect to the rights of women and the girl child in our country. It will also be an avenue to redouble our resolve in ensuring that adequate measures are put in place to critically examine the challenges and profile appropriate roadmap towards improving the realities on ground.